welcome back to Little Lulu. Today we're going to be unboxing this baby. It's the Shopkins Gumball machine. It's the food fair. It's from the food fair. Thank you, Moose, for letting me buy this thingy. Thank you, Moose. And yeah, I really like your Shopkins, Moose. It's okay. These are so cool because there's like a Gumball machine there, a candy stand, a candy cart, everything. It's just so perfect. Let's start unboxing it.
What ako YouTube?
Start. Let's get the scissors. Guys, my scissors is so big, so please don't judge me. Please, just please don't judge me. Like, I'm begging you guys, don't judge me.
Oh.
Pizza rice. So guys, I have my viewer there. Her name is Jewelry Kate El Renegado. She doesn't want to go out, so it's fine. Unless she's taking a video of me. I don't care. Okay, guys. This thing is pretty hard. Like, seriously. Wait. Guys, it's so hard. It's okay, so since it's so hard, let's do some magic. In 1, 2, 3. There it is, guys. Wow. Oh my gosh. I went out, so sorry, guys. It's so beautiful, you guys. Look at it. Pretty cool. So, okay, let's open it. Let's get this scissors started. Let's get the lid went out because I took everything out. I'm sorry. This thing is so hard. Cool. Good. There. So the others are going to go out now. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of unboxing of this. Okay. There's a Gumball.
The Gumball machine.
Guys, remember what I told you? I had a friend named Jewelry and she's taking the video. That was her saying things about the Gumball. The Gumball. Guys, if you're wondering where did I get this thing, I got it from my aunt. My aunt, she's from Cebu City. She gave me this, and thank you for giving me this gift. I love it. So, and also, guys, it's not just
this one
being like a bug.
What's this?
Unfriendly thing. I also let my friends borrow because I don't want to be that bad to them. Because before, if I have a new toy, I would put it somewhere far away and they can't borrow it. So now I think it's a new year, a new life. It's not yet New Year, so I'm sorry, you guys, if it's I said it wrong. So guys, it's so hard, super duper hard. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm taking that long. I'm just not like Cookie Swirl. Cookie Swirl so fast. Guys, it's so hard. What about let's do some magic again? And 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. There it is, guys. It's out of the box thingamajiggy there. So let's get started in opening it. So, okay, guys. Let's get this thing first out. There's some plastic here. Gotta get this scissors. Okay. Post. So guys, okay, it's out. So let's get this thing out now. So here's the candy stand. There's something right here. Okay, pretty cool, huh?
I'm opening some chocolate.
Okay, so.
Oh, yummy.
So guys, my friend Jilai is talking about the chocolate. Because I gave her chocolate earlier and she wants to eat it right now. So I gave her chocolate. She's eating it right now.
Yummy, I have many. I have 1, 2, 3. I
So here is the 2 bags that it came from. Oopsie.
I cannot open
Okay,
it.
let's get the cart now. Oh, that is why. Let's get it out.
Yeah, there she is. She's opened. Ah! She's done. She's
Okay,
open now.
Oh, my people supposed to. So, okay, guys, here is the final look of it. There. So, it's not yet that much cool yet because I didn't open the full of it. Because the gumballs are still inside the gumball machine. Let's get them out. So, okay. So hard, you guys. Oh no, the gumball. So, okay, you guys, I think I can't get it out, so I'll get it out one by one. Second gumball. The fourth gumball. Third gumball. The fourth gumball. The fifth gumball. And the sixth gumball. And the plastic. Put it there. So this is how the gumball machine is. Let's put the cap on again. So there. So okay, let's get these all out. Let's get the Shopkins out. And let's put the gumball back. Oh no! Okay guys, I'm back. I'm sorry I took like a lot of what do you call that? A lot of time. So there, the gumballs are all back. So let's get all the Shopkins out of the bags now. So okay guys, let's put these all aside. So these are the 2 exclusive Shopkins. I don't know what's their name yet, so let's try to find out. So the first is blind bag. Let's put this at the side. First is blind bag. Let's put it. Is oh, it's a cat that is a mirror. Cool. There you go. So you can see it. There, can't see it. There. And next is this one. Let's try to put it there. Oh no, wait guys, I'll get this the scissors because it fell down. Okay, got it you guys. Okay. Let's open the second blind bag. Guys, it's so hard. Let's just do it like that. You guys, look at this cupcake. It's so cool, you guys. Very cool. Now it's on to the third one. We got a piano. We didn't got a duplicate because the other one was a violet one and this one is a blue one. There it is, guys. It's super cool. Cool. This next one. Let's get it. This one's like a very thin one. It's a skateboard. It's Katie Cateboard. There. I know her name because my classmate, her name is Samantha Biggerton. She has a Shopkin that my other classmate stole it. And she was lying about she fell it in the trash can. But, nah, no one cares about it. So, okay, you guys, let's try to spin the gumball. The gumball went out. Oh my gosh. It's okay, and you can put it there. Also, you guys, inside your gumballs, you can also put some candies. This is very much not just toys, but also food. Who even cares? Let's put them on the shelves now. 2 pianos there. Oh, we could also use this, so let's put them here. Let's put this one over here and this one over. Oh no, it doesn't fit, so it's okay, you guys. I have a lot of Shopkins upstairs, so we could put it there. There it is. Let's put it to the back. Here is the other one. Let's see. Oh no, it fell. So okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys, and bye. And also don't forget the card. Bye.